Boom, baby, that's right. It's your girl, French White, and I want to thank everybody who's tuned in to my very first YouTube video. So, for years now, people been asking me, what do you put in your hair? How do your hair look like? And honestly, I chopped it off. No, I really chopped it off. But I took my vitamins, vitamin E and vitamin iron. The description will be linked at the bottom. But I took those vitamins and I also bought Hair Infinity, and my hair grew back within a couple of years. I'm here to share my golden secrets to everybody in the world. So just sit back, relax, and stay tuned. So personally, I like my olive oil. They don't have anything bad in them. No mineral oils, no sulfate, anything of that type of violent nature. But this is my go-to every day, every season. Me and olive oil. But the point is, it makes my hair glow. But no, on a serious note, let's jump in the shower. So in here, we got the water and we got everything. So I'm going to turn the water on cold. There's the cold water. And I'm a little skeptical because I'm already cold. So, okay. So, we're already through. Now, if you have extra curly hair and it get really dirty sometimes, you can add a second wash. Once I'm done with the washing process, I'm going to go ahead and use the olive oil conditioner. Kind of just drape your head over, catch it by your forehead, and just grab what you can in the back. Take your towel, wrap it, and just set it up to dry for a little bit, okay?
Minutes later.
Okay, so we're back, and this is what we have. Now, I normally just let it fall where it may. Like I have a natural part going down the middle. So I would like to kind of like just follow that part or whatever. So, sorry. Just let it. So now, styling. Now normally I just comb everything out. Once I put my conditioner on, let it sit for a while, comb everything out. Eventually the curls are going to curl back, so don't worry about, losing the curl value. Okay. I'm gonna grab this brush again. This brush should come in handy for curls like these. It's like a lifesaver, like a must-have tool, because this brush, you can get it wet, it can be dry, and it won't pull out a lot of your hair. It'll pull out some, but not a lot. But now I want to kind of flatten down the middle. And now that I got it all, you can either go both ways. This is just like a quick go to the store, go grab some food, go pick up the baby, I don't know, walk the dogs. Okay, you can either go like this and just let it curl. Air dry is my favorite. I don't like to put no type of heat, nothing on my hair. So I'm going to take part of this. This is just a quick, ready to go hairstyle. Nothing too spectacular. I'm gonna grab this other one. If you can, you wanna just, because meanwhile I don't have any bobby pins. So we're just gonna make do with what we got. Typically that's what females do. So I'm gonna use what I have with my scrunchie. Okay. You want to make sure you get it tight, because with this type of hair, it's still wet, it's still slippery. So I'm going to just take it like that. If you want to add with your brush, you know, you can add your little braids. If not, you can just take it like this. Me, by the end of the day, I sweat, and by the end of the day, my baby hairs be back to where they started. But here's my way. This concludes my style for this video. If you guys absolutely loved my video, subscribe and let me know what you guys thought of it. And if you guys have any products that you want me to check out or try, let me know. And if you guys have any video ideas, let me know too. Well, thank you again, and y'all have a great day.